really innovative. Shows all the different ways that technology is growing, and especially with the ever-changing world.
It's just exciting to see what's in the future and then where we fit in it.
We're really happy to be here. We are this morning from Paris.
Just for the show.
Almost everybody's here in the industry, which is great. Some new folks that I haven't seen, in the US. So it's exciting to see what's going on over on this side.
To be honest, this has been one of the most populated shows we've been to.
Great to see so many people, lots of great conversations, and a real good buzz to be here.
Well, I think this event is really, really amazing. So many things just changing, especially in the AI space.
People are actually coming to us and saying, tell me what your AI does, because they want it in their solutions.
I think this really brings together the industry to kind of present its best foot forward and have some meaningful conversations that move the industry along for better outcomes for everybody.
A great variety of speakers across different topics and different industries. Learning and seminars within these sorts of conferences is extremely important to make sure that everyone is up to speed with what is bleeding edge and what the industry is doing right now.
They're very interactive, always involve asking the questions from the audience, diverse people from different background, from different perspective.
Definitely don't miss this. If you're in technology and if you believe in sustainable solutions and something that's game-changing, you have to be here.